I have this space here and I want to transform it into a mixing room, and I know it's not ideal because the ceiling should be higher than that, but it's a given space so I cannot change that. But the most challenging thing is that the walls are made out of concrete, and we know that concrete is the worst when it comes to room modes because concrete reflects back everything, and it would create me a lot of problems. It's very hard to tame those room modes, especially on bass frequencies. So the plan is to build a room in a room. It's also called a floating room, and that's because there's no rigid physical contact between the existing room and the new room. I will lay down a rubber layer, and on top of that rock wool layer I will place the plywood flooring, and on that I will build the whole new room. So that's the plan. This will prevent outside noise coming in and inside noise going out. So let's get to work. Proper electric power is also a very important aspect for a studio. So I have three-phase electric power here, and on first phase I will have the audio and only the audio, second phase the lighting system, and third phase the heating and aircon. The plasterboard is in place. I still have to do the finishing, and door is also installed. You can see I will have a small hallway kind of thing. I'm done with the walls and the flooring, and because of these dry walls, this whole room will act like a big bass trap. Very low bass frequencies will cause these walls to vibrate, and that means bass frequency absorption, sound pressure absorption. In terms of acoustic treatment, because you can hear it's an empty room and it has a lot of reverberation. The plan is to build 4 corner bass traps and panel absorbers at the first reflection points. The sound engineer will sit here, so those points are the side walls, the front wall, the ceiling of course. And I will place some diffusers at the back wall to give the room a little bit of liveness.
This is the back wall with the door. I still have to work on this door to make it thicker and to make it more soundproof. But besides that, the room is pretty much finished. You can see the big bass traps. They are filled with rock wool. You can see the 7 wells QRD here and here. This is the side wall. It's not a real diffuser, but it has a role to break up the sound waves because they are angled differently, and yeah, they reflect back the mid-highs. You can see the absorber panels and the acoustic foam. I used more than I thought I would, but I had a problem with the flutter echo between the ceiling and the floor, and I had to solve the problem, and now I have a very good acoustic. This is the front wall. You can see again the 7 wells QRD 4 periods, and this is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button.